Hi guys, Arjita here. Welcome to this card video. Today I've used this beautiful Love Like No Other stamp by Crafty Meraki. I just love coloring florals, and this one is designed so perfectly. These tulips and the greens around them are wonderful. You can use any coloring medium of your choice, and I'm sure these flowers will turn out beautiful. So this is a card which you can give to your mom. It's for Mother's Day. It can be perfect for any wedding, and you can just choose the color of your choice. You can make them pinks, reds, whatever you feel like. So I decided to create a background with this one today, and for that I stamped this tulip a couple of times using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, because that is the ink of my choice when I want to do some alcohol marker coloring, which can be Copics or any other alcohol markers you have. So I'll just place these two tulips in various directions and stamp it using my MISTI. So I'm stamping all of them twice so that I have this beautiful black crisp line, and I'm just trying to keep them a little away from each other and not overlap them completely. So once this was done, I decided that I'm going to color this in very bright yellows and greens, and that's what I did. And it was a very interesting process. It took a little time, but it was very relaxing and I really enjoyed it. So I selected few shades of greens, mostly three of each color, and you can just go ahead and color it in your own way. So pencil colors would look great, watercoloring would look great, and I'm going to post some more videos using those mediums as well. So now I'm going to stop speaking. You can see how I color this, and once the images were colored, I went back with a dark blue Copic marker and colored all the open areas, and that really enhanced the card. So you'll see that in the process video, and I will catch you once it's done. So with this, the card is done, and I really like the blue background. But if you did not want to do this, you can totally stop and have this white background, and that would look lovely as well. To add more texture to my card, I'm adding some white paint splatters on top, and I really love doing this. It adds something magical to the card, and that's what I did. So to finish it, I'm using a sentiment from the same stamp set and stamping it using some VersaFine Black Onyx ink. I'm going to fussy cut it and then adhere it on top of the card. So I had a wonderful time creating this card for you all, and the Meraki anniversary. We are celebrating Crafty Meraki's third birthday, and it is a beautiful set of release. I'm sure you must definitely visit the store and check out all the beautiful releases Crafty Meraki has for you. And this release is special since it's our third anniversary, third birthday, and you will find something absolutely perfect for you. And I really, really encourage that you visit the store. So this is all from my side, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and I will see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.